Hello and welcome to My Finance Teacher. Today is Friday, the 13th of April 2018. I hope everybody is enjoying a nice rally in Bitcoin over the last couple of days. However, I don't think the rally is going to continue for that long. Let's have a look at the charts. These are the arrows we put on the chart at the beginning of April, and so far the price action actually conforms with our earlier forecast. Um, However, there are quite a few resistance zones close to where the Bitcoin is targeting. So there is a resistance zone over here at the recent top, of course. There are a lot of resistance zones around here with formed by the moving averages. There is a 50-day moving average, which is already pretty close to where Bitcoin is at the moment. There is a 200-day and 100-day moving averages, just $1,000 or so higher than where Bitcoin is at the moment. So there might be another couple of days of upside potential in Bitcoin price. However, after that, I expect a pullback. Additionally, if we look at Fibonacci retracements within this 2-month cycle in Bitcoin, this rally has already retraced nearly 38%. Once it reaches close to 9,000, our target at the previous video about Bitcoin, that would mean that 50% of this decline will have already been retraced. And very often 38%, 50% retracement is the time when prices going to turn back down within sort of a bearish sentiment in the markets, and we are not out of the woods yet. I don't think Bitcoin is going to shoot for the moon anytime soon. What's going to happen is we are going to continue for another couple of days. We're going to bump our head on the resistance zones formed by a lot of factors over there, anywhere between 8,800 to 9,000 and slightly higher than that. After that, after a nice rally like that, there must be some sort of a pullback. I'll put an arrow like this over here. It's hard to say where the pullback will finish. Hopefully, this level of a recent sort of insignificant top might prove to be sorry, something is happening with the charts. Hopefully this level of the insignificant top, relatively insignificant top, might prove to be, again, another take, sorry about that, might prove to be sort of, I think there are a lot of details over here on the chart and it's very difficult to pick the right details, but basically this recent top on the charts might prove to be some sort of a temporary support zone. That's around 7,500. Well, what's going to happen to Bitcoin after we sort of retrace back to that support zone? Actually, if you have a look at a recent article, according to a research in Sharia law, looks like a billion guys in the Middle East, each having $1 billion, are now allowed to invest in Bitcoin. So what's going to happen is they're going to attend that consensus conference in the middle of May, and by the middle of May, Bitcoin is going to shoot for the moon. Hit the like button if you would like that to happen. However, I'm not really sure about that. So I'm going to put that arrow, mark that arrow with a different color. We'll see about that in some of the future videos. Stay tuned. I wish you a nice day.